Hi to all, welcome to HEF's channel. You are watching health, environment, food safety, fire safety, sustainability solutions. Let us discuss today topic is Global Wind Day on 15th June. What is the Global Wind Day awareness program? How it is happens? What is the importance of the Global Wind Day? The Global Wind Day is a worldwide event that occurs annually on 15th June. It is organized by Wind Europe and Global Wind Energy Council. It is a day when wind energy is celebrated, information is exchanged, and adults and children find out about wind energy. It is power and possibilities it holds to change the world. In association with EWEA and the Global Wind Energy Council, national and wind energy associations and companies involved in wind energy production organize events in many countries around the world. In 2011, there were events organized in 30 countries on 4 continents. Events included visits the onshore and offshore wind farms, information campaigns, demonstrations, turbines being set up in cities, the wind workshops, and a wind parade. Many events happened on Global Wind Day on 15th June itself. But there were also events on days and weeks before and afterwards. So in 2012 there were a 250 events around the globe, and very popular competitions also happened for that Global Wind Day celebrations. The Global Wind Day is that it is every year on 15th June it will be started. The Global Wind Day, in this lot of programs is there, led the wind blow programs and that poster awareness program, and how it will that happen for that a Global Wind Day program, and Global Wind Energy Council is taken that prestigious for this. Thus Wind Europe is the voice of the wind industry, actively promoting that wind power in that Europe and ASEAN and worldwide countries. We have over 400 members active in the 50 countries. In addition to leading world wind turbine manufacturers, the membership and encompass and component suppliers and research institutes, national wind and renewable associations, developers, contractors, electricity providers, finance and insurance companies, and consultants. So Wind Europe actively coordinate international policy, communications, research and analysis. They provide the various services to support members' requirements and needs in order to further their development, offering the best networking and learning opportunities in the sector. It's a policy the Wind Europe analyze, formulates and establish the policy positions for the wind energy on key strategy sectors issues, cooperating with industry and research institutions on a number of market development and technology research projects. The lobbying activities undertaken by Wind Europe to help create a suitable legal framework within the which members can successfully develop their business. The Wind Europe produces a large variety of informations, tools, and manage the campaign aimed to raising awareness about the benefits of wind and enhancing the social acceptance, and dispelling myths about wind energy and providing easy access to credible information. In this wind energy, every year the Wind Europe organizes the numerous events and conference and exhibitions, workshops, competitions, photo competitions, conference. They launches the seminars and workshops. They encourage the exchange, the international experience on policy, finance and technical developments, and provide the ideal forum in the which showcase in the latest technologies. So lot of activities they will be started. So in this wind energy, they will be discovering for a lot of the wind energy policies and turbine, how the turbine works, informative policies, a lot of things he started that wind energy council and wind energy exports. So everybody is that started for that old wind energy celebrations, and there is a lot of success stories, and they started for that one program that let the world blow. In this scenario they will be given the lot of activities in global wind energy policy, let the wind blow. In the let the wind blow there is a given the informative conversations. It will be started in 2019, will be remembered as the year something is changed when children went on strike to demand that adults take an action to stop climate change. It's inspired the conversation between two moms, a Polish and advocate and a British journalist, and a talented young artists, and the comic book tells story how renewable energies like wind will help lead the transformation to cleaner, healthier world for that every year. So in this the wind 2019 children around the world went to the strike, not because they did not like their teachers, but to tell the adults to charge to take action to stop climate change. They look time out the school to call the laws to protect the planet and give them to a clean future. So like that every area the climate change importance they will be started. But what exactly the climate change and why is the stopping is so important? To answer this we need to step back in time. 200 years ago most people lived in this countryside. Then the industrial revolution arrived, factories flourished and people moved to work in cities. The massive amounts of energy were needed to power these the factories and later homes, cars and planes. So using machines to create products instead of working by hand on the land generally means the more jobs. So people earn more money, can buy more food and live longer, healthier lives. And planes and cars make it easier to travel. But most of this is made possible by burning fossil fuels such as oil, coal and gas. These literally come from fossils, dead animals and plants squashed in the ground for hundreds of the millions of the years. When burned, the fossil fuels produce greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide. Another greenhouse gas is the methane from large farms with lots of animals, especially cows, and farting and bleaching. And carbon dioxide and methane also produced. Together, these gases create a invisible blanket around the earth and trap heat from the sun like a greenhouse. This is normally makes earth a nice place to live, but the blanket has got too thick, causing overheating and climate change. The world has already warmed by 1 degree since the first factories appeared. This may not sound like a lot, but in the some way you feel ill and feverish when your temperature rises a little. Things are not working too well on earth. So extreme weather like floods and heat waves are becoming more common. Animals and plants are suffering and every becoming extinct, and their habitats change and that disappear. So and people are falling ill and dying because of air pollution from factories and cars. And we can all take an action. Switching off lights and saves energy and produces less carbon dioxide. Walking, cycling, taking the bus or train creates a less pollution than going by car or plane. So you can create that environment free culture and carbon free footprints culture. And eating less meat means less methane. And but this is not enough. Burning fossil fuels for energy, it's the greatest cause of the greenhouse gases. We urgently need to change to using clean sources of energy like the sun and the wind instead of the fossil fuels. So people have used wind energy for a long time. The earliest use was probably to sail boats across the lakes and seas. The first windmills were built around 2000 years ago to pump water and grid to grind floors. So in the last 19th century, scientists including Paula Kaug, a Danish meteorologist, created the first turbines in the produce electricity. In 1918, there were already over 120 wind turbines producing electricity in Denmark, but it was not until 1978 that engineers in Denmark revealed that world first three-bladed wind turbines that inspired those who use today. So how does a wind turbine work? Let us will discuss. Very important. The wind turns the blades and the spinning the generator, producing electricity and powering homes, schools and factories without releasing greenhouse gases, and creating new jobs for engineers, builders, architects, scientists and many more. The first wind turbines were not much bigger than their 19th century cousins. Today, turbines are higher, better, slower and stronger and can be found land or at sea. The energy produced by one rotation of the world's most powerful turbines could power your home for a day. By 2025, many wind turbines will be higher than Eiffel Tower in Paris, each one weighing more than 100 elephants. Over 130,000 wind turbines are already helping to power Europe together with solar panels, electrical cars and changes in our behavior to save energy and pollute less. Wind energy is creating a cleaner, healthier future for us all. So every future is depend upon that whatever you are leading your life without harming that environment, and to save that environment, to save the energy, to save that earth. So this is the main concept of that two all global wind day programs. The global wind day, every year we are celebrating for different programs and different activities in global wind day on every year in June 15th. So global wind day is happened in all 30 countries in France and Japan, Australia, India, Mexico. So lot of units, lot of association is understand and do for that association and involved in the energy production organizing programs in this, led the energy programs in this global wind day program. Green recoveries and global wind industry statement of green recovery programs also started, and green policies also improved, and wind power is a cornerstone of the global economic recovery. This is a rebuilding better for the future. So wind power is a key building block for economic recovery, form of the impact of COVID-19, which will be enable governments to renew the critical infrastructure for a suitable future. The wind industry will help to deliver the jobs, clean and affordable power and energy security needed for a sustainable recovery for this wind energy programs. So guys, let us understand the global wind day and global wind energy process. Please motivate that, save earth, save energy and save wind. Thank you. Thanks a lot.